What's up, guys? This video will be short and sweet. Learn how to earn money by watching YouTube videos. I'll take you through the process step by step. Step 1 is to go to YouTube and pick a video. I know this sounds obvious, but I want to make sure that we're on the same page. But you can't just pick any video. Let me explain. You have to pick YouTube videos related to these topics: mystery, facts, news, and physiology. Step 2 is to paste the YouTube video link into this website, YouTubeTranscript.com. On this website, you can convert these YouTube videos into text or transcripts. Step 3 is to copy the entire transcript and paste it into a Word document or Google Docs. Next, you will format the document to make sure the transcript is organized correctly. Step 4 is to copy and paste the document into an AI paragraph rewriter. The link for the paragraph rewriter website is listed in the video description below. On this website, this tool will take the entire transcript and rewrite it or rephrase how it's written. You can also use ChatGPT to rewrite an article for free. Step 5 is to copy the new or rewritten article and put it into a Word document or Google Docs. Step 6 is to go to the website, vocal.media. You can create an account for free by signing up with your email. On vocal.media, you will upload your newly revised article. For every 1,000 views your article receives, you will get paid $3.80. However, if you become a paid subscriber on vocal.media, you'll receive $6 per 1,000 views. Currently, the price to become a paid member is $9.99 a month or $99 a year. You won't get rich remixing articles from YouTube, but it can certainly be a great side hustle if you focus on volume. If you're just going to cut and paste one article here and there, don't even bother. But if you can commit to posting 10 articles a day, then you can expect at least $300 a month. That extra monthly income can come in handy to pay a bill or pay down any debt. And I know what you're thinking. This video title was clickbait. You don't have to watch the YouTube video to remix it. But you should watch the video because you need to make sure the video actually addresses those topics we talked about earlier: mystery, facts, news, and physiology. If the article doesn't fall into any of these categories, you may not get that many views, which means less money or none at all. Well, that's it, folks. Short and sweet like I promised. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now go watch, quote-unquote, a YouTube video so you can make some extra money.